Buckle Church, Tokalı, Soğanlı. Buckle Church, Turkish Tokalı Kilise, is a tall, spacious cave church set on a cliff facing the Soğanlı Valley. The church was only 90% carved, a feature that allows us to observe how cave churches were built. Courtyard spaces. Rock-cut steps ascend to the complex with rooms at various elevations. The spaces were interconnected by paths which have since eroded away. The left-hand side has an elaborate facade with two entrances. The large entrance with an arched recess leads to an ornate square room. The small space is decorated with an apse, molding and geometric painting, but could not have been a church because it faces west. This room was an entrance to the formal hall. There is no trace of a rock table. Behind the hall are monks' cells. The two spaces were independent living rooms with wall shelving and a sleeping area. One cell has 3 oval windows, while the other has a decorated square recess in back. There was apparently no flat, open courtyard between the spaces as in other courtyard complexes. Erosion in this steep ravine may have altered the original layout. Narthex, entrance room. Entrance from the outside is made through a rectangle below a flattened half circle. Because of the terrain, the narthex is on the south side, not rear, of the church. There was another burial room before the narthex. 3 graves remain before the door, and a prominent acrosolia was on the left wall. The church has a spacious narthex with an arched window. Painting remains only on the right, east side. The 2 figures are faceless and nameless. The layer of plastered paint has been largely scratched away. Nave, main room. The church follows a cross in square floor plan, the standard shape of churches during the Middle Byzantine era, 900 till 1200 AD. 4 columns create 9 bays with arched ceilings. All the bays have arched vaults with a painted brick design. The crowns of each column are pronounced and differ from one another. The capitals and bases of each column have rippled wedges. Small oval windows in the rear allow light into the nave.